for another JTech instructional aid. This one will be on the brake chambers and measuring the free travel for the brake adjusters on the pre-trip inspection for your brakes. All right, this is going to be our training aid here for visual, and then we'll go over to the actual truck and I'll show you exactly right where those the brake chambers and the slack adjusters are. Okay, so let's go over here to our training aid. We've got slack adjusters here, the rod, and then the brake chamber. Well, we're going to have 6 of them on the truck. And then on the trailer, they're going to have other chambers as well. But we're just going to deal with the semi-truck itself, okay? The primary engagement is going to be air pressure. You're going to have air pressure coming into your brake chamber. Your brake chambers, there's going to be 2 sections. One is going to be primary, and the other one is going to be secondary. When you apply the brake, air goes in, presses this spring, and your rod will travel forward to your slack adjuster. Your slack adjuster actually kind of ratchets it down and engages the brake, okay? What our inspection entails is going to be the travel between the rod and the slack adjuster, and every brake chamber or slack adjuster is going to be a little different, but no greater than 2 to 3 inches. The nominal is about 1.5 inches, 1.25 inches. Okay. To show you how it works, first, how I'm going to inspect it over here on the truck is you have to release the parking brake. There we go, I'm sorry. And that engages the travel. That's how you work. This is the parking brake. You push down on the parking brake and your rod goes. And it should be within 2 inches of free travel, okay? And that's basically what we're going to be doing for a brake inspection. Right now we're going to pause it and we'll go over to the semi. All right, we're back here on a real life situation. What we're going to be doing is gaining access to the easiest probably wheel. It's going to be the rear right. There's going to be you have to have a person to press the brake, and the tool that you're going to need is actually a ruler. And what you'll be doing, I don't know if you'll be able to see this down here, but down in the brake chamber, on which, all right, you're going to be measuring the distance between the rod and the slack adjuster, and you'll be using that with a simple ruler. While you're down there, you're as a technician, you want to check your air lines, any electrical connections, make sure that they're in good working out order. They're not loose. There's no holes, and during your inspection. All right. Again, there's going to be 6 of them just on the semi rig itself, and I thank you for viewing my brake inspection video.